Nigeria Army General don cry come outside again o. No be small thing o. This time around, he say anybody wey donate money go give Simon Ekpa. He say if they catch that person, say that person they go treat am the way they go take treat Simon Ekpa. Ay. This one shock me o. E no end for there. He say that Simon Ekpa don give them too much woto. Say this one don too much o. Make Southeast make they no dey support am o. Both people wey dey contribute money and people wey dey even call im name o for social media. My people, no be small thing o. As that one dey happen, they say that Ijele is a fool under oath IPOB as one of him video don leak when he dey make this oath o concerning how he go take fight Nigeria o, and Ijele is the person today fighting Nnamdi Kanu. No be small thing o. As that one dey happen, Senator N0w and the other senators and other Igbo leaders don come outside to contain Nigeria. Say the more you people dey hold Igbos, na the more una dey hold Nigeria for down, because Igbo is meant to be a light among you people, but holding Igbo down, na so Nigeria go dey down. No be small thing o, my people. Let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen o. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today are the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back, as update no dey finish for our table. Let's quickly jump into the matter and know wetin dey go on today. And they say that the Nigeria Army General will be the head of army. Say the man don't come outside though. He can't cry again for inside this interview. Contour say anybody where they support Simon Ekpa, say if they catch that person, they go do am the way they do others. I don't know who be the others where they do sha, but however, he said the V0w To wey Simon Ekpa don't give them. We don't give am, it done too much. However, let's play this video, may you watch, and before we come back and proceed, stay tuned. We'll get a lot of Tony to hear here today. Tony full grand though.
Talking about some of the frustrations that the army, the military generally, is having, especially in maintaining the peace in the southeast, quoting some Nigerian outside the shores of the nation, frustrating the efforts of the army. Can you talk to us about that? What are the inhibitions that are coming? What partnership are you getting from the people, or particularly even from the state governments and leaders of thoughts in the southeast?
Yeah, so thank you very much. In the southeast, we're getting a lot of support from the people, from the government especially. What we are calling, like I mentioned the other day about Simon Ekpa, him sitting in Finland and causing confusion in Nigeria is unacceptable. The Finnish government must stop him from doing. If they say he's their citizen, he's affecting another sovereign nation. And for whatever reason, they should call him to order, because I know they will not take it if it was the other way around. He was in Nigeria and causing problem in Finland. So I think it's very, very critical. Again, we still have reports of individuals that covertly support this one, contribute money to them, encourage them, give them logistics and leadership. We want to call on them that the armed forces and other security agencies are going both overtly and covertly. Anybody that is found to be supporting them will be treated as one of them. And it is important. What we need is, for those, a lot of them are just a bunch of individuals that are misled. There is nothing like secessionist tendency. A lot of them are into looking for money, they're into kidnapping, ritual killings. We have seen videos of what they do to humans. They kidnap people, cut their heads, cut their hands, and for whatever reason, I think that is very barbaric. That is evil. Nobody should support such a thing. We should all put hands together with the state government, with the federal government, to move this country forward. We have a lot of other challenges that are being tackled. We shouldn't allow some individuals to drag us back.
Yeah, my people, as you don't watch that video, you don't hear what he talk, let us know for inside comment section wetin be your stand for this thing with this army con talk. My people, as that one dey happen, let's quickly jump into the next matter where we get for our hand. Ijele we be udele. Una know am na, most of una know am as udele. Most of una know am as Ijele, and most of una know am as king of the game. No be small thing, no. They say that IPOB don release one of him video when they take auto, even put in children, even put in family, even put everything one putable for inside that oath. He say if he ever betrayed Igbos, or if he ever betray IPOB, he say may God take am. They can release the video. I go play you for the video now. May you watch this the way they talk against Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB before. Full-time IPOB before. May we watch the video together before we come back and continue.
An attack on IPOB. No, not talker. I separate here. Criticism of policy from criticism of the goal. Like policy and tactic, all the two different things. Sometimes when I push you for the last against IPOB, against N0w, you are a saboteur. How can I sabotage my own people? Anigo, Boba Monya Kebe, Mbosobuna no, Native Bosobuna, Yobuna, John Igbo, or any black race. I recognize Param as their father. They have the highest money that Murumia. You want to go? They have highest money that Murumia. Or in the Jum Mound. I don't know so many work out. You know, and the worst thing that could happen to a father or a woman, you know, the church as their father. But so when I make it, do anything against me, just one as their father. So, natural, it are the misconception. People know I want to criticize the policy. And they criticize this and this tactic. Attention on their work. Not generally that they criticize the actualization of Biafra. Nigeria brought on the man. I wouldn't be here. No, Nigeria. But since 19 now that work. But I have to say it, man. I criticize that some things before IPOB attack. No, that's not me. That's not me. Because
yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, the only thing where you supposed to know now, if Nigeria see you say if he talk, I guess waiting that they fight, they will give you money. Money they there now. Anybody will say Nigeria no get money, you never collect your own share. Start come outside today. They fight one thing. We be say yes, they like him. They go call you, give his money. Sharply. Now be the main thing where they there. My people, may let us know what be your own opinion for inside comment section concerning this video. Let's quickly jump into the next matter where we get for our hand today. They say that the N0w Senator N0w he don't come para give Nigeria government. He said that the more they hold Igbos for inside the dam. He said now so Nigeria go still there for that. No, he said they no move anywhere. And other people talk for this video while I go play you now. May you watch. Our people they wake up, they talk, but this talk need more weight so that these people will understand the language one they speak. For now, it beat them say when they speak one country in church. However, let's watch the video together before we come back and continue.
Let Nigeria not think that by suppressing the Igbo that they are going forward. Foul. So long as Nigeria suppresses the Igbo, Nigeria will go nowhere. Because ndị Igbo na-atụ iluru na-asị onye ji mmadụ n'ala ji onwe ya n'ala ụlọ mmanụ
olu mere Igbo ofu mana Igbo mere onwe fa nnụ. Igbos are people who obey laws. Igbos are not new in Lagos. Why is it that it is just now They don't know they have to get approval for land. They don't know they have to register land. Igbos have had properties in Surulere, in Yaba, in Ikeja, in Apapa, in Pture, and Iko. Why is it? It's just now. The truth is that it is not good to continue to blame them. The only thing is, if they have heirs, the government has rights. Government, in my own opinion, have got right any time to take over any property for an overriding public interest. But government must pay compensation.
We must do the right things all the time. When we are born, our parents did the right thing all the time. No matter the status we think we have achieved, can we please make sure that we leave anything that is unholy and do the right thing?
The conferment of...
I want to thank you for giving Nigerians Rufai Oseni.
We are a very distinct group. In fact, the politics and the navigation of Igbos in Nigerian politics, if you ask me, I'll tell you it's predictable. They don't live their own. So what that means is that for anybody to wave off the Igbos and say, we can do it with that, it's not a good politics. So for a good mix, I'm a politician, I'm a practical politician, I'm a strategic politician with major steps. Give these people, give them.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. Wetin want some Igbo leaders, senators, governors, abeg, if una wan talk anything wey concern una people for inside House of Assembly or for any conference wey una wan talk wetin Nigeria dey do una wey no good, abeg make una no dey speak big English. Aboki no dey understand big English. They dey understand big English only when they wan do mago when they wan suppress una. Abeg make una dey use kai walai. The way that they do Igbo walai e no good. Kai abokina e no good. That language na dey fit understand though, because this language one I dey speak, dey twist mouth, dey speak English. Aboki never dey ready to understand them. Sure understand? Na so e be. Next time, una talk well so that they go understand wetin una dey talk. Because this, I don't suspect that maybe na this big grammars wey we dey speak na make they no understand us. And don reach the time now wey we dey read kolai kai ala hola, so that they will understand us very well. You understand? Because they say P2B they talk, yeah we no. Mona they put kai walai, you go tuna go up, come carry and come die, mukula, so that they understand say wetin they do us for Nigeria, the Igbos, you know good. Yeah, my people, you know say our people talk say na play they take the tell person the truth. That be the whole thing. Play, now they take the tell person the truth. My people, wanna share this video and also make sure say they follow this channel. The people where they talk for us, so if I reach there, Mona they talk with boldness. Give these people so that they go understand, say, on a day serious for wetin una they talk. Mona know they paint matter. Okay, my people, we'll quickly see you for the next update as it dey hot. But let us know wetin be your own opinion for inside comment section for this update we don't carry come for you today. And don't forget to give the channel a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.